Okay, hello, eighth grade. Welcome to another week of computer class. Welcome to May. As you probably saw, the schedule, the last day of school is going to be the same as it was originally scheduled. You don't have to make up any days. So that's pretty exciting. With this rotation 7, I have no idea when you're done now. It's probably might be this week. I don't know. We'll have to wait. Mr. Brown will tell us, I'm sure. So last week we were talking about um, online privacy, mostly as it relates to websites. We're talking about cookies. I hope there was 2 videos that explain cookies. I know they're kind of complicated. A lot of times you get on a computer um, and you go to a website and you have to accept cookies to use it, and then you're also always told to get rid of your cookies. The basic intent of cookies is not bad, but you can see that it can definitely add some elements of invading your privacy. Um, so that's what we were looking at last class. I think it is important to know that if you ever are really, really bored, look up a strange product that you would never be interested in. Okay. You know, Cure for male pattern baldness, let's say, and do a few Google searches, maybe go to a couple different websites, and then start seeing over the next couple of days how many ads you start seeing on different unrelated websites related to male pattern baldness. It is really interesting how much this people are following you, websites are following you. Okay, so this week we're talking about social media and our digital footprints. Okay, I'm going to do this little presentation here. Okay, so let me click on present. You won't see me anymore, I think. Start presenting. Okay, so we know with social media, we mean Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever one you're involved with. Okay, so a couple of different terms we're going to talk about. First one would be oversharing, which is when people share things they later regret. You could probably add this to they should later regret. Okay, some people might not regret it, but they probably should. Of course, this isn't done only on social media. This can be done in real life. We always hear people say, "Oh my gosh, oversharing." All right, digital footprint. All right, this might be a new concept. All the information online about a person, either posted by that person or others, intentionally or unintentionally. Okay, so if let's say, I do a search for me and I see all these different social media sites that I might have, and then I might even see sites that I don't have where other people are talking about me. Okay, that would be my digital footprint. Okay, so first question we're going to look at: what responsibilities do you have to yourself when you use social media? How can you be responsible for your own digital footprint? Okay, so you want to always obviously be thinking about your reputation, thinking about your future, thinking about your family and friends. When you That's kind of the responsibility you have. All right, so what message are you sending with your social media post? Okay, are you trying to project an image, or are you just sharing your thoughts and opinions? Okay, and a little bit of your social life. All right, you think about that. And that kind of answers both the questions. It's something that, it's different for everybody. Okay, but it is something you want to consider. Okay, the next question is kind of the opposite. What responsibilities do you have to others when using social media? And how can you be responsible for others' digital footprints? All right, so a real good example is, let's say, you post your friend's picture, okay, when they're doing something embarrassing. All right, not everything has to be posted on social media. Okay, so let's say your friend is chasing their dog and you're getting a little upset. All right, and you're videotaping it. Um, is it the right thing to post that so other people can enjoy your friend's misery? All right, is that responsible of you? Are you being a good friend? Okay, and there's other things. I know for me and Facebook, I have my old high school friends posting pictures of us when we were in high school. Now the difference is, when I was in high school, we had actual cameras with film in them, and we didn't take a lot of pictures because getting film developed was very expensive. So you kind of limited your amount of pictures, whereas today, my gosh, we can take literally hundreds of pictures, doesn't cost us a thing. And I think that's where we can get in trouble, is where we post pictures of our friends that our friends may not want posted. And we know anything that can be posted, okay, even when you take it down, it can last online forever. Okay. It only takes one person to take a screenshot or to email it, and everyone has it. All right. So you want to think about that, not just yourself, but other people. Okay. So what are the things that you're posting? Okay. So that's basically what we're going to do with this. I mean, it's really as not as much of a lesson as just kind of a thought process for you. So after you finish this video, which will be in a second, I want you to click next. You're going to watch another video, and then I want you to kind of reflect on what you learned there and what your thoughts are. Okay, have a great week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Also, remember, Encore has the office hours, 9 o'clock. I do Mondays and Wednesdays. It's very lonely there. It's just me, Mr. Ashman, and Mrs. Sully, and we just talk to each other, waiting for students to arrive. All right, guys, we'll see you later.